So everybody, we are at some park right now and we're just taking this walk just for fun. And you see it's over here, there's so many trees over there. Weird. I mean, probably very much weird. But if you see over here, we have our sister over here. Probably if you see this is my sister.
Oh,
so you know, just weird thoughts. I don't know, but I love birds. Yes, of course.
And you can see.
This is a giant, a big park over
And let's
here.
go inside.
And look at this giant. What is this white thing? This is cinnamon.
This is cinnamon, not a bit
Oh yes.
Let's go to that inside the park. That's not a park.
Oh yeah. Well, this is giant, like a bird house. They made it for like. I'm gonna show you. Wait, you go inside. I'm gonna show you. Look at this giant bird house. Like, what is this? Look at that, you're going inside the birdhouse. Wait, stay there. Let me take a picture. Let me take a picture. Stand there.
Oh, I see. Photo. Wait.
Yeah, she did it. Yeah. This. Oh, wait. I'm gonna show you something. Look at this. This is the nest of bird. Beaver, a bird, of course. And what is that kid over there doing? And let me get inside this giant, big. Oh my God! For eating, for in the food. Oh my God! Show it. Look at what is this? Ayana or something?
Then we go out. I don't go that way. I'll come that way.
I'll show you the outside world. We're like in a house right now. What is this kid doing? Crazy, huh?
You can see me.
Look at this girl over there. Hey, what's?
Oh, you see me there.
Look at that girl going over there. Oh, probably you look over here. Oh my God, what the kid doing? That's crazy. Because the kids always. The kids are. So we're done with that bird thing. I mean, birdhouse thing.
Please
look at the birdhouse.
Please look at this tree. Right?
Oh, this tree looks kind of good, but because of sunlight, all